In this tutorial, I show you how to add your website to Google Search Console. So let's get started. First, just open your browser and then search for Google Search Console. Search for this and now click on the first link, which is this one. Then over here, click on Start Now. And here we have two options. We can enter our domain or a URL prefix. So a domain contains all the URLs and subdomains under it, while the second option is only for the URL which you've entered specifically. So for now, I'll just enter the domain and then click on Continue. Now for the verification, we'll need to make changes to our DNS record, which will then be verified by Google. So on top, you'll see your DNS provider, which is GoDaddy for me. And then I'll have to click on Start Verification. They'll make me sign in to GoDaddy. I'll quickly do this. And now I'll just have to click on Connect. And as you can see, it's getting verified now. And now the ownership is verified. And here, as you can see, I've reached the dashboard. So here I'll get all of the insights. And basically, we've added our website to Google Search Console. So this is how it works. And the method may be a bit different based on your DNS provider. In some, you may have to add a new DNS record, which will then be verified. Or for others, like GoDaddy, just with the click of a button, it'll get verified. So this is how it works. And if you want to know how to create a site using Google Sites or Wix, you can check out these videos over here. That's it for today. Goodbye.